Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 3, Sourcing Products and Services, Section 5, Sourcing Requirements and Total Costs. Lesson 1, Determining Sourcing Requirements. Determining sourcing requirements. Before a business can find a supplier or negotiate a price, it must first have a crystal clear understanding of what it needs. This lesson covers the process of translating a business idea or operational need into a formal, detailed sourcing requirement. This document is often called a statement of work, SOW, or a specification sheet. 1. What are sourcing requirements? Sourcing requirements are a detailed description of the goods or services a company needs to purchase. They act as the official instructions given to the procurement or sourcing team. The goal is to be as specific as possible to ensure the chosen supplier can meet the business's exact needs. 2. Key categories of requirements. Determining your needs involves looking at several key areas. Functional requirements. What must the product do? Example: a coffee mug must keep a beverage hot for 2 hours. Technical requirements. What are the physical or performance specifications? Example: the mug must be made of ceramic, hold 12 ounces, and have a diameter of 3 inches at the base to fit in a car cup holder. Operational requirements. How will the product be used and supported? Example: the mug must be dishwasher and microwave safe. The supplier must provide a replacement warranty. Regulatory and compliance requirements. What rules must the product follow? Example: the mug's ceramic glaze must be lead-free and comply with FDA food safety regulations. 3. Creating a requirement document. For a beginner student, it's helpful to think of this as creating a checklist or a product profile. A strong requirements document typically includes description, a clear, simple statement of the item, e.g., branded ceramic coffee mug. Detailed specifications, the technical details. Materials, e.g., durable white ceramic. Dimensions, e.g., 4 inches tall, 3 inches diameter. Capacity, e.g., 12 ounces, 350 milliliters. Features, e.g., comfortable C-shaped handle. Quality standards, the acceptable level of perfection. Example: no chips, cracks, or color inconsistencies. Logo print must be sharp and correctly positioned. Packaging requirements. How the product should be packaged for delivery and sale. Example: individually wrapped in bubble wrap and packed 24 units per master carton. Quantity and timeline. How many are needed and by when? Example: 1,000 units needed by October 1st. 4. The importance of getting it right. This lesson would emphasize that poorly defined requirements lead to incorrect quotes. Suppliers will price based on vague specs, leading to unexpected costs later. Wrong products. Receiving products that don't fit the business need. Delays. Having to reorder or fix mistakes. Strained supplier relationships, caused by misunderstandings and change orders. Summary. Determining sourcing requirements is about moving from a vague idea, "I need mugs," to a precise, measurable, and actionable description. I need 1,000 lead-free, 12 ounces white ceramic mugs with a blue logo on the front, delivered by October 1st. This clarity is the foundation for all subsequent steps in the sourcing process, including evaluating suppliers and calculating total costs. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.